Happy Thursday, it's October 22nd, and this is Volatility 411. I'm Kevin Davitt, part of VIX Options Institute. The S&P 500 index has been chopping around either side of unchanged thus far today. Overall, the index is near the low end of its two-week range, with S&P futures testing the 3,400 level overnight. Now, the primary short-term catalyst seems to be further stimulus negotiations. The when, how, and how much still seems to be up in the air. 10 and 30-day SPX realized volatility levels are down to the mid to high teens. Nevertheless, one-month forward volatility as measured by the VIX Index remains in the high 20s. Now, in fairness, we are less than 2 weeks away from the election. As Joe Teague mentioned yesterday, the October futures are now off the board and November is the front month contract. The VIX term structure is now inverted all the way out to the middle of next year, but the VIX Index remains below the November contract. In VIX Options, the November 25-21 put spread traded in size at 124. The November 70 calls have traded about 7,000 times. Those are printing around 20 cents. And based on pricing, it looks like perhaps the December 30 call 25 put collar traded. It seems like paper sold the 30 calls to buy the 25 puts for $1.58 credit. Now, tonight is the final presidential debate ahead of Election Day. Earnings will continue to roll in. Housing data has been consistently strong, and that's due at least in part to average 30-year rates now down around 2.8%, according to the St. Louis Fed. So as always, there's plenty to key in on over the next few days. Does the 3,400 level hold in the S&Ps? Does the VIX Index move through the 30 level, or do we continue to chop in this range in advance of November 3rd? Time will tell. Thank you very much for tuning in.